YouTube as a video platform has become almost a necessary part of human life. And this generation, which depends on the internet for almost all of the facets of life, is the one which has special ties with it. Different kinds of videos, starting from entertaining to educating, that the YouTube brings to us, we just gobble it up. So much so at times that we forget to keep a track of time while watching YouTube videos. But what if you could get paid because of this? Yes, you heard me correct. I'm talking about getting rich by doing something that we do as easily as breathing or eating. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel today. We are going to share some secrets that are life-saving for a specific section of the population, the students in particular. Because you know what? A little bit of extra money doesn't hurt, right? So without further ado, let's see how people like you and me can earn money simply by watching YouTube videos. The title of the video must have caught your attention because here you are hearing me babble all the while thinking whether it is really possible to get paid for watching videos or if the whole thing is a scam. Well, I'll have you know that it is very much true, and there are a bunch of authentic websites that really pay you for watching videos on YouTube, like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, MyPoints, Earning Station, and many more. So guys, if you're addicted to watching YouTube videos and find it frustrating to note how much time in the day you have lost because of it, then why not get paid for your efforts? Either way, you can have fun watching them, enjoy watching certain videos, or get to learn about new stuff and still get paid. As a student, this will be a very helpful method of earning pocket money without having to ask your parents for the same. In this video, guys, allow me to introduce you to Swagbucks. This website has been around for a long time now, and let me tell you, there's nothing you have to worry about its authenticity because this is the oldest and most well-known website that really pays you for watching videos online. Swagbucks have paid their members over $664.3 million, either in the form of cash or free gift cards over the years, who have watched videos through them. Besides watching videos, they also pay you for other activities like taking surveys, surfing through the web, answering online surveys, playing online games, and even shopping online. This is perhaps the best way of earning a little more by doing things that you already do online. Now, the thing that people might be wondering about is the legitimacy of the website and whether it is safe to use or not. The best way to know whether anything really works or not is by asking people who already have had some exposure to it. Be it anything you are shopping online or making an important career decision, or for that matter, the authenticity of online rewards programs. So, to know if Swagbucks is safe enough for you to start using and earning money, all you have to do is look at what others who have tried Swagbucks have to say about the workings of the website. Here are some of the top sources of customers about Swagbucks that I've gone through, and the results seem promising. Members of the Trustpilot review website have rated Swagbucks 4.3 out of 5, and there were 25.2 thousand reviews about the program. Out of the 60,000 reviews on the App Store, customers have rated the program 4.4 out of 5, which is very close to what the Trustpilot ratings are. That seems reassuring. I mean, when some 60 or 80,000 people are rating the website fairly good and are satisfied with its services, then the question about its legitimacy or safety goes out the window, doesn't it? Here are some other examples. Google Play had almost 81.59 thousand reviews on the Swagbucks program and offered a rating of 4 out of 5, while Better Business Bureau had something around 1,106 reviews, offering a 3.97 rating out of 5. Thus, the average rating for the website is high and is around 4 out of 5, and you must know that it is a pretty good measure about the workings of the program. Before we move on to the next section, let me remind you that your encouragement means a lot to us. So one like and subscribe for your end would mean the world to us. Also, hit the notification button to never miss any updates from our end. Coming back to the topic at hand, let's see what the results of the surveys conducted on Swagbucks were. The general survey of the reviews helped me to conclude that most of the users of Swagbucks are happy with how the program works and seem to get paid for whatever little effort they make. But here's the thing. If you go in with an unrealistic expectation of earning hundreds of dollars per month, then you are bound to disappoint yourself. So the key is to keep your expectations realistic and low, and then you'll be able to appreciate whatever side cash inflow you have from performing lighthearted online activities. This brings me to the point where I'll have you know how the program works. The first and foremost step towards earning money from watching YouTube videos through Swagbucks is by becoming their member. For that, you will have to sign up for the website using your email ID, and the membership is free. Once you are a member, you are eligible for getting paid while taking part in online activities of your choice. If you are wondering if this is as easy as it sounds, then you're absolutely right. Swagbucks pays its members through Swagbucks points, abbreviated as SB, which you can later redeem in the form of gift cards and cash back through PayPal. The pay rate is $1 for every 100 points, which means 2,500 SB will fetch you an amount of $25. You could also get an Amazon card worth $10 or 1,000 Swagbucks points. You have to go to the rewards store to browse what is available for the Swagbucks points you have earned in order to cash in your SB. Also, there are certain times when you can earn gift cards with fewer points. This is the time when Swagbucks runs sales on gift cards. Another question that needs to be addressed while talking about making money watching YouTube videos is the amount of money inflow you should expect. Now, I know that a few seconds ago, I asked you guys to keep your expectations low and realistic. Well, by survey, this realistic mark has touched the amount of cash backs in the range of $25 and $100 in PayPal. According to some Swagbucks reviews, some of their users have been able to earn as much as $10,000. But you need to understand that these occurrences are rare and practically impossible unless one commits himself to the platform full-time. This huge amount of money means the Swagbucks points you have to earn is over 1 million, and that is no easy task. It's when you hit this mark, then you'll be recognized by the Swagbucks member recognition program and provided a Ruby status. Some other activities that you can do to get paid through Starbucks are online shopping, including popular retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Starbucks, and some other less popular retailers like Expedia, Macy's, Kohl's, etc. The moment you spend some dollars while shopping, you'll be able to earn cash back in the form of points. What's even better is that you will get access to exclusive deals and retailer coupons for your effort. Another opportunity to earn money using Swagbucks is by filling out surveys, and you'll be rewarded with free gift cards. According to reports, users were able to earn 100 to 300 SB points per survey, which is around $10 and $30. And if you ask me, that is some good amount of good online money. Thus, earning money while watching online videos is quite easy as of today, and if you had any residual doubts about it, I hope this video helped to resolve them. But before we take your leave, I want to say that my intention was not to give off any financial advice. This video is purely meant for educational and research purposes. If you're willing to try out something new, then I would suggest that you conduct your own research. That being said, we have arrived at the end of the video for today. If you liked the video to your standard, then don't forget to leave a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, for we promise to come up with interesting topics for you. Press the bell icon to get notified each time we come up with a new video, and have a nice day ahead.